Hi guys. No man, I suck at this. This is an unboxing video for Geekedead's belt for the Deadpool suit. I just got it in the mail. I tore it open a little bit, but there's still more to unwrap, so I'm gonna start doing that. Sorry guys, I'm not really good at doing these videos. I'm just gonna open it. I thought this was not gonna get here on time for Halloween, but it's here. Now I just gotta open it somehow. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Holy moly. Should have got this a long time ago. Oh my god. How do you open it? Need help. Okay, stretched it. Wow. Oh my god. So beautiful. Ooh, nice and flat. This is real leather? Ooh. I think it is. Yeah, it's real leather. Wow. Free stickers. Remember I had this on the Tacoma? What's this? Geekedead. Another free sticker. Oh my god. A sticker of an avocado. Huh. That's the movie one. The half mask. This is another sticker. Alright, now there's more to this. There's pouches. Handmade pouches. Wow. Here. What? These are magnetic? Wow. Stop it, baby. Please. I'm doing a video. I can't edit this. This is real leather. Ah, smells good. Look, baby. Don't get it dirty. Yeah, these are made of real leather, stitched really beautifully. Just makes me want to buy a suit even more. I made my own suit out of 4-way stretch fabric. But I've always wanted to have the lycra screen printed material suit from Geekedead. Wow, this is crazy good. Can't wait to put this together. I'll do another video of all of this put together. Thanks for watching, guys. I think that's it. There's another part of this. Or why don't I just try to put it together right now? I have no idea how it's gonna put together. Does this go in like this? This is why I wanted to do another video so I could figure it out first.
Did you stop one?
No, baby, the camera's still recording, and you just came out in the video. Say hi.
Hi.
I don't know if I'm doing this right. I have to look at a picture to see how many are on each side or something. Wow, this is gonna be so nice. I don't know. Oh, I think 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. And it's gonna... Am I being dumb right now? Okay, let's just put them on. I should have recorded the video long ways. Bring it higher up. So I'm imagining that
this part probably goes in like this. And then this slides up. I don't know how far. Oh, almost knocked down the camera. Why? Totally forgot about the big pouch. I'm just gonna do another video with everything assembled. This is probably gonna go in the back. Because there's a black ammo pouch I gotta put on this. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey guys, so I finally assembled the belt. This is what it looks like. This is what I had before I made this. Well, this was 3D printed by another person on Etsy, I believe. And I painted it, and I put this on myself, all this other stuff. It's not that bad for starters, but this is definitely an upgrade. If you're looking for a movie replica belt, then you should go buy one from Geekedead for sure. You can notice the quality of the paint's just glossy. He did a really nice job with this. So it's 2 pouches right here. Try to hold this, keeping it from getting scratched. This pouch in the back. My phone actually might fit in here, so that's going to be useful. And these are the ammo case pouches from 5.11 Tactical. They're a little bit stained. Well, this can come off. I use this for paintballing once. I don't know why I brought it with me. I think I just wore my belt for decoration. But totally recommend this belt. If you're looking for him, you can reach him on Instagram. I'll leave something in the description so you guys can take a look at his Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys.